Okay, I'm just going to show you how to play music from your phone through the Bluetooth system in this Jaguar XF 2012. So first of all, if we go to music here, you'll see there, if I click on that, the three silver circles and the silver triangle, you'll see there, iPhone, Jaguar XF. If there's no tick next to Jaguar XF, just tick it like so. Over to the system. Now, if you're on menu, this is where it gets tricky sometimes. So we'll go to menu. You've got there, that's what's playing at the moment. However, if I click on that, see my music there, there's a plus next to there. If you don't see your, just turn that down a second. If you don't see the track playing when you go back, I'll just go back again. We'll go to menu. It's showing auxiliary. We need to get to Bluetooth. This is how you do it, and it's not immediately obvious at first. So onto audio video, my music, there's a plus next to my music. We click on there. It then brings up a separate menu, and you've got auxiliary, USB stored, CDs, I'll do it again because of time now, stored CDs, DVD, CD, iPod, and Barry's iPhone. Click on there, that's it. Now then, if I turn this up, oops, let's just knock that back. I don't want to get a copyright strike. So pause that. I'll turn this up, and then click play. Dire Straits. The sound system in this car is awesome. It really is. Baron Wilkins speakers, fantastic.